welcome back to Drawing for Kids. To start off, let's go over what material you'll need. You need some Crayola markers, which you can use any color markers that you like. Next, you also need some paper. In addition to that, you'll need some black markers, such as Sharpies. Okay, so as I'm going along, I'll go step by step on how to draw this character, but I really like to invite you to add your own little twist to it to make it your own. There's no pressure to necessarily draw exactly what I have, but let's use that as a guidance to see what we can come up with. As always, remember to add in a little bit of your imagination to make it your own. You can do this drawing with your family and friends, and at the end of it, maybe check out how everybody's drawing turned out at the very end. Are you ready? So we're gonna get started. The drawing I'm doing today is of a little animal, and it's an animal that you'll find in a farm, and then it goes cheep, cheep, cheep. Can you guess what animal this is? Let me tell you, it is a chick. We're doing a rainbow chick today. So let's get started. I'm gonna start by drawing in the chick right now. I want a little bit of tuft of hair on the top so you can see the tuft of hair I'm starting with on the very top of the chick's head, and then I'm drawing these curved lines down the side to represent the top of the chick's head. Then I'm gonna add in wings for my chick. Of course, like they have these big fluffy feathers. If you want, you can draw like more layers of feathers or like larger wings. Doesn't necessarily need to be exactly the way I have it. So then here's the other half of the circle for the lower part of the chick. Next, you're gonna see that I'm going to be drawing these clouds on the side of the chick's wings, and this is where the rainbow arc is gonna go from one end to the other. So here it is. Of course, we also have to do the rainbow arc on the top, which is one of my favorite parts, and I'm really looking forward to it. So it's like a half circle, so a semicircle from one side to the other, and it connects to the other side of the cloud. We're going to do one big arc to represent the top of the rainbow, and then we're going to do a mini arc to represent the bottom of the rainbow. There you go. And then after this, I'm going to focus on like the facial features for the chick. So the face includes like the eyes, the nose, and the mouth. I'm going to start with these small circles for the eyes, one on each side. And then of course you can do larger eyes, smaller eyes, or you can have the chick that is like just really happy or sleeping, have eyes closed. So there's many different options. You can even add eyelashes to the eyes to represent like maybe a female chick. So there are many ways to go about it. I really suggest using your imagination, having fun with this drawing. It doesn't exactly have to be the way I draw it. It could be very different, and that is okay. Here you can see I'm adding in the little beak for the chick, and it's like a triangle but more rounded corners. Here I have the chick. Of course, I'm going to start coloring in with all types of colors. So I am going to start with this pink to add a little bit of blush to the chick's face. This is of course optional. If you don't want to add blush, that's completely fine as well. Next, I have this orange that I'm going to use to color in the beak, and I'm going to use the same orange marker to color in the feet for the little chick. So here it is, using my orange marker. You can of course have longer legs if you like, or shorter legs for your chick as well. After that, I think I'm going to start coloring in the chick itself using a yellow marker. But it's completely up to you. If you want to change up the color, totally go for it. Try it out. Have fun with it. You could have a chick that is like maybe baby pink, or like a red chick, or it could be like rainbow colors. Those are all options you can consider, or even consider adding accessories to your chick. So maybe a hat, or maybe a bow, or a scarf. So there's lots of different ideas depending on like what kind of story you're trying to tell with your drawing, because I love telling stories of my drawing, and I think it makes it so unique. So when you're showing it to your friends and family, you can tell them about what is the chick doing and why they're doing it. It just makes your story so different from everybody else's drawing. And it makes it a lot easier to draw as well when you have a story, so you can know like kind of what accessories or backgrounds to add to your drawing. I, of course, try my best to color in within the lines and also color in any white gaps in between. Of course, I do my best. It's never perfect, but that's okay too. Because at the end of the day, I think part of it is just enjoying the process of like coloring with markers and doing art. Now I'm gonna color in parts of the cloud to show where the shadows are. You can have blue clouds if you would like, or maybe some baby pink or baby blue color clouds as well. Of course, we're gonna draw the rainbow arc very soon, so get your rainbow colors ready. Do you know what colors are in the rainbow? Maybe it's helpful if you line up your colors according to what you will draw on the arc. I'm gonna start off with the red and just color in the first section, slowly following along the arc line that I've drawn on the top. And then after doing the red arc, I'm gonna focus on the next layer. Always doing just one arc and one color at a time, and just taking my time. There's really no rush. You can see that some parts of the arc will be wider than others, and that is okay too. So here, just coloring it in, and then I need to get ready for my next color as I slowly color through the colors of the rainbow. After adding color to this last part for the rainbow, I think I'm gonna add some raindrops coming from the cloud, but I want them to be rainbow raindrops. Like, that would be really cool, right? Have you seen purple rain before, or like yellow rain, green rain, or all sorts of different colors? I think that will be really cool. So I'm gonna add different color raindrops here. I'm just about done for my drawing. Thank you so much for joining me on this video on drawing this rainbow check I hope you enjoyed it. Before I give you a closer look at the final piece, I really invite you to consider subscribing to my channel and giving a thumbs up, because that would really help in getting people to know more about the channel and the art that I do. Thank you so much for considering. So here is the final piece, the rainbow chick. I hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully I will see you in future videos. Take care and stay creative, everyone. Bye for now.